everyone. This is Blue Skyver. It's a beautiful morning, and last week I got the DJI Avata 360 and brought it over the St. Lawrence River riverside where the Lachine Rapids are to fly and watch the view. So this is my first flight over water with the DJI Avata 360, and I flew over the rapids, and you can see how strong the flow of the water is. Then I continue flying over the small Heron Island. There is a part of the river that flows in the middle of it, and we can see a lot of cabins there. They don't have electricity other than using solar panels, as you can see. And after a while I brought it back and landed it. It was a very nice flight. Actually, I would like to let you know my impressions. I'm totally recommending the DJI Avata 360. It flies like a champ. It's quite robust. It's like an Avata 2 on steroids, but it doesn't fly on real FPV acro mode, but you can fly it on normal as well as sports mode. And I'm very glad they made it compatible with the RC2 controller, and hope that they will soon make it compatible with the RC Pro 2. And I brought with me as well my RayNeo Air 4 Pro augmented reality glasses, and I could see the view like I was on top of the drone. I totally recommend them as well. I made a separate video with them flying the Mavic 4 Pro while there was a lot of ice on the river. So I'm going to process the video on the DJI Studio, as I said, and use the keyframes as well as the object tracking software. And I can point any of the 360 degrees direction. While I'm flying forward, I can point the view backwards or left, right, looking at the bottom or at the top. It's really amazing, and I can perform virtual rolls or split S maneuvers, as well as going in and out of an asteroid using the software. And so I learned how to use it, and I'm going to process the footage and upload it on YouTube. And the other thing with the DJI Avata 360 I have to mention is that whatever is being lost in resolution is gained on perspectives. So I'm gonna make a lot more videos this spring and summer season, along with my other drones like the Mini 5 Pro, the Mavic 4 Pro, the Avata 2 and the Neo 1. And so I hope you're going to watch them. And if you do, please don't forget to thumbs up for the algorithm. And if you want to subscribe, you are very welcome. Thank you very much for watching my channel. And remember, this is another beautiful day to fly.